Glad to see you again. Let's have fun learning again. Our letter friend for today is letter D. Letter D. Are you ready for my big box again? Okay, let's see what are these things inside my box that start with letter D. Let's have the first one. Dog. Let's have another one. Angry dog. Another one. Quack, 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 quack. What's that? What is this? Duck. And one more. Quack, 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 quack. Another duck. Do you know how to play this thing? Dart. And I have this one. What is this? Domino. And I have this. Do you know what is this thing? Dice. Oops. This is nice. Look what I got here. Dinosaurs. Let's count the dinosaurs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dinosaurs inside this big box. Okay, let's learn more about letter D. This is the uppercase D. This is the lowercase d. This is the uppercase D. And this is the lowercase d. This is how we write the uppercase D. Standing line. Go back to the top. And a curved line. This is how we write the uppercase D. And this is how we write the lowercase d. Standing line. Go back in the middle. And make a curved line. Standing line. Go back in the middle and a curved line. Do you know that letter D has sound? Letter D says D. Letter D says D. D. Let's sing our D song. Ready? Dal begins with D. Begins with D. Begins with D. Dal begins with D. Begins with D. 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 Duck begins with D. Begins with D. Begins with D. Duck begins with D. Begins with D. 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 Dinosaurs begins with D. Begins with D. Begins with D. Dinosaur begins with D. Begins with D. 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 Dentist begins with the, begins with the, begins with the. Dentist begins with the, begins with the. Dog begins with the, begins with the, begins with the. Dog begins with the, begins with the. Door begins with the, begins with the, begins with the. Door begins with the, begins with the. For our letter D collage, we will put lots of dots on letter D. We need cotton buds and paints. Okay, watch me and you can try this at home. Look at that. Look at my letter D collage. D full of dots. Do you know the song Five Little Ducks? Okay, sing with me. Five little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far, far away. Mother duck says, quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far, far away. Mother duck says, quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far, far away. Mother duck says, quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far, far away. Mother duck says, quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck went out one day, over the hill and far, far away. Mother duck says, quack, 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 but none of the 5 little ducks came back. Sad mother duck went out one day, over the hill and far, far away. Mother duck says, quack, 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 and all of the 5 little ducks came back. Craft time with Teacher Lorie. You watch me and you can try this at home. Okay? Dinosaur! Oh look, I have one more. Try this and make these dinosaurs at home. Have fun!